Hello scholars, if you are applying for a research degree or a grant, you know how important a strong research proposal is. So today we are bringing you the ultimate guide to writing a research proposal. With expert support from Writers.ng. The first step, title and abstract. Choose a clear focus title. Your abstract should summarize your research questions, objective, and methodology, all in under 300 words. We help you write crisp, compelling abstract that stands out. So the next is introduction and background. This explains the context of your research. What is the problem or gap in existing studies? Why does it matter? What have others done? Writers.ng can help you review literature and build a solid foundation. The next is research questions and objectives. Define what you aim to investigate. A good proposals are driven by a clear, focused question. So we help you formulate smart objectives which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. The next is your methodology. The methodology explains how you plan to conduct the research, either by using the qualitative method, the quantitative, or mixed method. And also, what data will you collect and how do you intend to get your data? Then lastly, what tools or analysis will you use? Writers.ng helps you align your method with your goals and also write with clarity. The next step is timeline, budget, and conclusion. Include a rough schedule and estimated cost. Then end with a strong conclusion, why your research matters and what it could change. At Writers.ng, we can help you present a complete, fundable proposal that meets university standard. How Writers.ng can help. We write full research proposals. We edit, proofread, and format for you. We tailor content to your program and university. We improve clarity, flow, and academic tone. Are you ready to make your proposal stand out? Reach out to Writers.ng today. So, are you ready to make your proposal stand out? Reach out to Writers.ng today and let's help you craft a compelling proposal. Like, share, and subscribe for more academic writing tips. And if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.